Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Thursday, April 9. The number of total confirmed cases remains at 19. Of those 19 cases, 12 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 7 active cases are residents, 4 are in home isolation, 2 are in isolation at a facility, and 1 remains in isolation in the hospital. All but 1 case has been confirmed to be travel-related, and the source of infection for that case continues to be investigated by the Department of Health. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Many of our county services are still operating. We talked about a few offices the other day, and today we'll highlight a few more county services and how we've shifted operations to continue to serve you during this time. The planning department's window at the Kapuli building is closed. However, all employees are digitally accessible. All zoning permit applications and related forms can be found online at www.kauai.gov/planning. Zoning permit applications are being accepted via email for processing. Any permits digitally received by the Buildings Division are being forwarded to planning staff for processing. Further, all inquiries and communications with the planning department, including zoning complaints, shall be accepted via phone at 241-4050. A representative from the department will return any message within 48 hours. All payments to the planning department concerning zoning applications or enforcement actions can be mailed or submitted to the drop box located outside of the Kapuli building entrance, to the right of the double glass doors. Any check submitted to the planning department shall be in an envelope clearly marked Planning Department. The check must have the respective property tax map key legibly written on the check's memo line. The Department of Public Works Engineering Division counter will be closed to public access. However, staff continues to work digitally. General inquiries and communications shall be via phone at 241-4883 or by emailing the administrative assistant at ymikami@kauai.gov. That's the letter Y, mikami@kauai.gov. A representative from the division will return messages within 48 hours. Applications and other related forms can be found online at www.kauai.gov/publicworks/engineering. You can contact the division to arrange drop-off plans for review, permit applications, or other documents. The Department of Public Works Wastewater Division counter will be closed to public access and staff will be working digitally. All communications with the Wastewater Management Division shall be through phone at 241-4082 or by emailing Thorner, THORNER @kauai.gov. A representative from the division will return any message within 48 hours. Sewer applications and other related forms can be found online at www.kauai.gov/sewer forms. We recommend making payment to the wastewater division online by a credit card or e-check at www.kauai.gov/SP. There is temporarily no service fee to use the online option. Payments may also be mailed to the Treasury Division or submitted to the drop box located outside of the Kapuli building entrance to the right of the glass doors. Payments must be in a sealed envelope marked Wastewater Division. Front counter services for the Department of Finance Purchasing Division are closed to the public. However, inquiries may be emailed to COK purchasing@kauai.gov. You may also leave a message on the main line at 241-4288, and messages are checked regularly. All inquiries and communications with the Real Property Tax Collections Division shall be through phone at 241-4272 or by emailing rpc@kauai.gov. A representative from the department will return any messages. All payments to the Real Property Collections Division shall be either mailed or submitted through the drop box located outside of the Kupuli Building entrance to the right of the double glass doors. Taxes can also be paid online by credit card or e-check on the online payment website. Finally, all inquiries and communications with the Real Property Assessment Division shall be through phone at 241-4224 or by emailing rpassessment@kauai.gov. A representative from the department will return any message within 48 hours. All transmittals to the Real Property Assessment Division shall be mailed to Real Property Assessment, 4444 Rice Street, Suite A, 454, Lehue, Hawaii, 96766, or submitted in the drop box located outside of the Kupuli Building to the right of the double glass doors. With our stay-at-home order, we now have less cars on the road but more pedestrians. Motorists who must be on the road for essential needs, please slow down and drive with aloha. And pedestrians, please wear bright clothing or reflective attire to make yourselves more visible to motorists. Let's work together to keep each other safe. Again, a new mandate goes into effect this Saturday, requiring all employees of food establishments, grocery stores, and stores that sell medicine to wear masks. Additionally, we strongly recommend that all businesses, regardless of what you sell, require your employees to wear cloth masks. We are also strongly urging all public-facing businesses to require your customers over the age of 10 to wear cloth masks to enter your business. Additionally, we strongly encourage all individuals over the age of 10 to wear a cloth mask or face covering anytime you're outside in the public. Remember, folks, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. Let's work together to protect each other from coronavirus. We can also continue to protect each other by staying home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you are seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Center for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Once again, Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there and take care of one another. God bless and aloha.